Alright, last box. For the Indian anyway. Oh, jeez. Oh, that is heavy. Maybe this is my missing parts. I don't think so. Here we go. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh, that hurts. I thought this just had an exhaust pipe in here, but feels like there's half a motor in here. Maybe there's a new office chair in here. Yeah, that's what it's saying. This is my missing parts. Yeah, these are my missing parts. Okay. So I'm missing the exhaust box. Yeah. I'm not missing too much. Alright. This is more important than exhaust, and we got an exhaust system. I've seen this packing material before. This keep this for putting pads down on the ground. Neat. It's pillows. Exhaust is in here. Oh, I didn't know she packed exhaust in the same box. Alright. Parts. Parts are parts. Pretty damn heavy for a cowling. Clips of hardware here too, whatever that is. Not sure what that is. Oh, that's the hardware that holds the cowling of the fork leg. 1/4 inch bolts, nothing you see in there. Alright. Oh. Yeah, these things are pretty damn heavy to be for this cowling. This Indian stuff is not light. The bike's 850 pounds or better. Every damn Harley dresser is about the same weight. It's a stripped down soft tail. Every part on it weighs twice what it should. Heavy cowling. Or not cowling, cowbell. Not even a cowling. Oh, jeez. Damn, that is thick. Indian. No wonder it's casted. Look at that. Is that overkill or what? Damn. Thing weighs probably 3-4 pounds. Jeez. Yeah. Thick ass piece of crap. Man, that is heavy. Let's find my old ones to see what they were. Oh, those are boat anchors. There's the other one. Let's go out there and see if I can find the other one. The original. Stuffing everything out here in the SUV. Haul it up to storage. Cold out here. Oh. See, mine were 10. Not cowling. Not cast. There's my triple tree. Ah, damn, hurts. Oh, damn it. Stuff weighs a ton. Alright, we need this piece. Oh, jeez, that hurts. Oh, damn it. Okay. Like I said, mine are not made out of boilerplate, they're made out of just tin. Oh. So these, same height, so they will fit. Yeah, those are definitely different. I hang down a little bit further here for the cowbell to wrap around it. So you had two different ones of these things. Paglia was the other one, Italian fork. So these ones are definitely cast, thick ass material. Why would anybody do that? That's just so stupid. Alright, I'll contact them and see if they, what the other ones look like, and see if they're closer to what mine are. Alright, well that's definitely different. Alright, we'll be back.